On line 3, we declare a template for the class named CL. On line 4, we declare a template function named getMax. It's passed with two parameters, A and B, which are of the type CL, that is, the class CL. The values A and B are checked to find which one is bigger. Result is then returned by this getMax function as the type class CL. On line 7, integer variables n and m are declared. Next we declare two float variables, f and g. On line 9 the user is prompted to enter the first number. I key in 24. It's stored in location n. On line 10 the user is prompted to enter second number. I enter 28. It's stored in location m. As per line 11, it first prints, bigger integer number is, and then the control shifts to function call, getMax. It carries along with it the values n and m, that is, the values 24 and 28. 24 is assigned to parameter a in the function, and 28 is assigned to b. Then it's checked which is greater. 28 is bigger. So 28 is returned back, and is carried back to the point of function call. The value 28, as part of the cout statement, gets printed onto the output screen. Then on line 12 of program code we ask to print two new lines. On line 13, we prompt the user to enter a float, or decimal number. I enter 21.9. It's stored in variable f. As per line 14 the user is asked to enter the second floating number. I enter 21.5. It's stored in the location g. On line 15, we instruct the system to first print, bigger float number is, and then, the control shifts to function call, getMax. It functions just as demonstrated earlier for the integer numbers. 21.9 and 21.5 are passed as parameters to the function, getMax. 21.9 is returned as the bigger number. It's printed, and the program ends. From the last program, we discovered that the template class can be used to define a function, which could adapt itself to accept values belonging to any data type, be it integer, or the float data type, without repeating the entire code for each such data type. Note: remember that in the last chapter on functions, we had learned function overloading, where a single function was redefined multiple times, with different data types as parameters, and return values, so that it could be reused to perform different tasks. With this, we come to an end of the chapter on files and templates. In the next chapter we will learn about the most crucial concept in C++, the class, and objects. Meet you in the next session. Until then, take care, be safe, and stay healthy.